Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Teachers play a vital role in shaping the future of a nation. They are responsible for educating and preparing the next generation of leaders, thinkers, and problem solvers. Teachers not only impart academic knowledge but also help students develop critical thinking skills, creativity, empathy, and social skills. Effective teachers can inspire students to pursue their passions, develop their potential, and become responsible citizens who contribute to their communities. They can also help identify and support students who may be struggling academically, emotionally, or socially. In short, teachers are the foundation of any society's future. They are essential for creating a knowledgeable, skilled, and socially responsible workforce that can navigate the challenges of a rapidly changing world. One of the most significant roles of teachers is to instill a love of learning in their students. Teachers who are passionate about their subject matter can inspire students to develop a curiosity and eagerness to learn more. This enthusiasm for learning can be contagious, leading to a lifelong love of learning that can benefit individuals and society as a whole. Furthermore, teachers are instrumental in helping students develop critical thinking and problem solving skills. These skills are essential for success in any profession or field, and they are also crucial for making informed decisions in daily life. Teachers who encourage students to ask questions, think critically, and analyze information help students develop the skills needed to solve complex problems and make sound decisions. Teachers are also responsible for promoting social and emotional development in their students. Students who feel safe, valued, and respected in the classroom are more likely to thrive academically and socially. Teachers who prioritize building positive relationships with their students can create a classroom environment where students feel comfortable taking risks, making mistakes, and learning from them. Moreover, teachers play a critical role in preparing students for the workforce. As the job market continues to evolve and become more competitive, it is essential that students develop the skills needed to succeed in the workplace. Teachers can help students develop skills such as communication, collaboration, time management, and organization that are highly valued by employers. In addition, teachers can play a crucial role in promoting equity and inclusion in the classroom. Teachers who are aware of their students' diverse backgrounds, cultures, and experiences can create a classroom environment that is inclusive and respectful. They can also help students develop empathy and understanding for others who may be different from themselves. Another critical role of teachers is to identify and support students who may be struggling academically or emotionally. Teachers who are observant and attentive can recognize when a student is struggling and provide the support and resources needed to help that student succeed. Teachers can also help connect students with mental health resources, counseling, or other interventions when needed. Finally, teachers are essential for shaping the values and beliefs of future generations. Teachers who model ethical behavior, respect, and responsibility can help students develop a strong moral compass and a sense of civic duty. These values can guide students as they become active and engaged citizens who contribute to their communities. In conclusion, their teachers are indeed the pillars of a nation's future. They play a critical role in preparing the next generation of leaders, thinkers, and problem solvers. Effective teachers can inspire students to pursue their passions, develop their potential, and become responsible citizens who contribute to their communities. As such, it is essential that we value and support our teachers and provide them with the resources, training, and recognition they need to continue to make a positive impact on our future. Additionally, teachers serve as role models for their students, children, and young adults spend a significant amount of time in school, and their teachers are some of the most influential people in their lives. Teachers who model positive behavior and attitudes can help students develop positive self esteem, healthy relationships, and a sense of purpose and direction in life. Furthermore, teachers can help promote a sense of community and social responsibility among their students. Teachers who encourage their students to participate in community service projects or other volunteer activities can instill a sense of civic duty and help students understand the importance of giving back to their communities. Finally, teachers can also contribute to the development of a nation's economy. Teachers are responsible for preparing the future workforce, and their ability to provide students with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in the job market is crucial for the economic growth and prosperity of a nation. Well-educated and skilled workers are essential for innovation, productivity, and economic competitiveness. In conclusion, the role of teachers in shaping the future of a nation cannot be overstated. They are responsible for educating and preparing the next generation of leaders, thinkers, and problem solvers. They can inspire students to pursue their passions, develop critical thinking skills, promote social and emotional development, and instill a sense of civic duty and social responsibility. As such, it is essential that we invest in our teachers and provide them with the support and resources they need to continue to make a positive impact on our future.